What's up, y'all? This is an Aldi finds video. Y'all, I found these at Aldi for only $2.50. This is a steal, y'all. These are bulbs that you can just plant directly in the ground. As long as you break your soil up, you should be able to plant these and get them going. 15 gladiolas. That is a steal, y'all. I planted some bulbs like this last year and they are coming back already, and it's still pretty chilly outside, so I just wanted to let y'all see what this pack looks like. I got these 2 days ago. Again, $2.50 a bag. Comes with 15 bulbs. They come back each and every year, y'all. Break your soil up, put it out there. You guys, you don't have to do much to this. I promise you. If you are starting a garden in 2023, this could get you started. You can put these in pots too. You don't have to necessarily put them in the ground. Good soil, give them a good watering. Yes, Lord. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.